Again, I'm gonna use the same hook as before, the TMC 5262. I'm going to put down 10 to 12 wraps of the 0.035 lead wire. Use the same thread as before. This is the Vivus A-Dot pink. And do some big wraps around this to lock it in place. And bring the thread back again to in line with the barb. I have a 5-inch piece of 8-pound Maxima, and this is what we're going to use to attach the bead. And for a bead, I have a just a 6mm plastic bead. You can use an 8mm. You can also use any color that you want. So for this bead, I'm going to put the Maxima through the hole of the bead. Get the bead centered on the Maxima, and then take one of the ends of this Maxima and wrap it back around again and go back down the same hole as you did as I did the first time. What I'm just going to do is lock this bead in here. It's not moving. I'm going to take both ends. So the bead's just going to hang off the back like this. Like I said, you can put it right here, so there's no worries about it getting tangled down here with the hook point, or you can move it further back. I'm going to put mine just about right there. Kind of pinch the Maxima, get some wraps in there, and then make sure it's sitting the way you want it. And give it a few more wraps. Just going to bring the thread up to just pass the lead wraps, and I'm going to fold my Maxima back over and wrap back down over it. It's probably overkill to tie this in so tight, but that's okay. I don't want to lose the bead after taking time to tie this fly. And if there's any extra Maxima, I just clip that off. So we're back. We're back at the barb. And instead of tying in a tail like we did on the flesh fly earlier in the live stream, we're just going to tie it in and start wrapping right away. So I'm just going to take a little bit of these fibers off so I can get down to the hide. I want to tie in right on this hide right here. Tie that in good, and then bring the thread forward again. And then just like before, we're going to wrap away, stroking the fibers back so they don't get caught up in the wraps. You can wet your fingertips. You got little fibers flying around everywhere. I think the camera picks up all the fibers. Secure that in place. Build up a head here. Whip finish. Try not to trap any fibers. Do 3 wraps on my whip finish. Probably don't need head cement, but I'm going to use it anyways. This one comes out fast. And there we go, the flesh fly variation with the bead hanging off the back. Get this wet. Ooh, this one looks better than the one I showed you before. Oh yeah. Trout will like that. You can dead drift it, you can swing it. It'll be deadly.